My name remains Temitopoladoko. Welcome to my channel where we talk about AI, robotics, and education. Today I'll be sharing good news with every one of us on my YouTube channel. Today I got the parcel from Amazon AWS and I'll be unboxing it, and I'd like you to come along to see what I have inside. Okay, back to what I was talking about. I got this parcel from AWS, Amazon, right? And I'll be unboxing it. I don't know what's inside. We are about to find out now. Who is ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ah, surprise! Someone has a hoodie. A hoodie from Amazon. Wow. Woohoo. Let me wear it. I'm so excited. Thank you, Amazon. I'm so grateful. Thank you, AWS Technical Community. I feel love right now. Thanks so much. Let me wear this. Oh God. Wow. Can you imagine? It even rhymes with my jumpsuit.